Hey everybody, Gulf Coast EDC here. Got a quick unboxing for you. If you saw the title, you know what's up. So, got Lynch Northwest Prybar. So, I got this one from DLT Trading. Weird, you can't really get a whole lot of the Lynch Northwest Prybars anywhere. They're sold out, or you gotta wait for a drop. And it's weird too, because on eBay I saw the same one for 200 bucks, brand new, but on DLT's site it's only 120 bucks. So I don't know if they'll actually be able to sell theirs on eBay for 200, but interesting. So is still available at the time of this recording for $120. So let's get into it. So first, nice packaging. So you know you're getting a nicely, hand wrap. Somebody had to hand wrap this and tape it all up, so it's pretty nice. It's got the description on there, what it is. This is the Warhawk version. So let's see. It's tight like a tiger. All right. So then we have this. Oh man, that's cool. That's an awesome graphic right there. Nice. Yeah, that packaging is really nice. It's tight. All right. Nice. I wonder how many times I'm gonna say nice. But it is. All right. All right, so we get a little thank you card with a little drawing. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so information there. All right. Okay, we get the hymn, so you get a sticker. Oh, that's cool, I like stickers. Let's see. Okay, so you can clean it up with Windex. It's gonna, oxidize and get fingerprints, etc. That's interesting. So the picture on the website shows this in different colors, like I don't know, orange, blue, and white or something. There's a gray one in there. It doesn't really matter, but just so you know, if you do order one. Okay, nice. Made in January. Birth certificate, that's cool. Okay. This is pretty nice, so I'm pretty excited. I've wanted one of these for a long time. Never really pulled the trigger, or couldn't find one I really liked. The Eddie version is really the one that I wanted quite a bit, but I just never get my hands on it. But man, check that out. That is awesome. So in the description on the website, it says that that's a bronze anodizing, but I don't know if it's showing up on the camera, hopefully. But it's really more like a gold. Maybe a cross between brass and gold. Maybe brass, shiny brass is more of the color actually. Man, but it is slick. That is really nice. See, there's a little bit of that anodizing in the mouth there. Right just there, you can see it. That's interesting. Oop, okay. Let's see, okay, inside, kind of like the jimping up the front there. You got the brass anodizing inside there. And a bronze anodizing on the clip there. And another sticker. Let's see. Okay. Yep. Obviously it's a Lynch clip, so very nice. It's also got the DLT Trading logo right there. That's awesome. Got some ridging there, right? But you can't feel it. You got the pry in there, down to the nose of the pry. It's got the anodizing in there. Yeah, that's pretty neat. I'd be interested. Normally the only kind of pry tool that I've carried has been this right here. This little keychain Kershaw guy that I've had forever. You know, it's got the ubiquitous bottle opener, little tiny pry over there. But I will say, you know, I've used this quite a bit. Let's use it today actually to pull the little hammer-on feet off the bottom of my new couch. And it worked great. So I'd be interested to see, you know, because it's on my keychain, you know, I carry it all the time and it's with me. Let's be curious to see what kind of use this gets, because I do like to use my gear. But I am curious. I do have some plans. Maybe I could customize this a little bit down the road. Oh, jeez. Definitely gonna see if what it can take, I guess, in the video. Yeah, really looking forward to that. Really, man, it's really awesome looking. I'm really glad I pulled the trigger on this thing. Like I said, they're still available for $120, and you don't have to wait for the drop or, you know, hope you're in the lottery to pay for it. So, yeah, check them out on DLT Trading. If you're interested and if you like this kind of content, like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments. Do you have one? Have you used one? Have you carried it? And so do you hard use it, or do you just kind of use it for Instagram photos? I see them both ways. But I'd be interested to know your thoughts. If you like this kind of content, like and subscribe. And I appreciate you hanging out. And see you on the next one.